How to use background removal in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select a photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the cutout tool. Meitu will automatically detect the subject and remove the background. If needed, you can manually refine the edges using the erase or restore options for a cleaner result. Using background removal in Meitu allows you to change background, create transparent images, or design eye-catching content for social media, thumbnails, and profile picture. After finishing your edits, choose a new background or keep it transparent, then save your image in high quality. Now you know how to use background removal in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.